So I did order a Kalimba on Amazon, and I wasn't really happy with it. The quality was really not good enough. Where you could really have a musical instrument that was working okay. So I got this one here from Sweetwater. I'm gonna put the name up there, sweetwater.com. I'm not affiliated with that place. I bought a few musical instruments there before, and it was always a great customer service, always great stuff that came out of that company. No matter, it's still from China, the stuff here, but it was really good quality. So this comes with a tuning hammer here. Put that here, and then it comes in this bag. Oh, that's very nice. Here, and there is a bag. Now, I apologize for all the dark hair on there. This material attracts dark hair a lot, I have to say. So, if you have dogs or cats, be aware. Now we have to really pull it out easy here, because you get stuck here on those lines or whatever they call it. Here, and there we have the instrument. Now this was a one of a kind, like with an art drawing on it, an artsy model here. But this is how this looked like. It's completely made out of wood. It's like kind of like a guitar thing, you know, a strong wooden frame, and then those parts here and here are a thinner material. You can hear already when I touch this the resonance of the material. And then you can play it here. Now, let's see if I move this over here a little bit. It's gonna go down here if I can get my microphone a little closer. Wow! Stuff is falling apart on me. I am sorry about this. It was probably very loud. Okay, I want to get closer to the microphone. Apologize. Okay, let's hear this. It doesn't have a real... See? But okay, so this is what you get here, and in this video I want to show quick how to tune this thing, because I think that's like worth it. So the tuning works by moving those pieces around. So for example, if this thing is moved in too far by accident, there, then it's completely out of tune. So when you listen to this now, this one is completely out of tune. And what I'm using then is a guitar tuner here. I'm gonna use that. So let me show this here. There, so we are expecting a C there, and when I use it here, you get like some D kind of weird thing, right? So now you would use the hammer and hammer this piece back a little bit. Can you see this now here? It's still like a weird D. Still not right. C plus. Still C plus here, right? There we get to the real C. You see how close that is to the real C? It's a little bit brighter. A little lower. One little tap. You see it's green? Oh. That's absolute tune to C, right? And you can do this to every other tine here. If it's too low, you have to push it in. If it's too high, you have to hammer it back in there with this little hammer here. And you can use this here to move it around a little if you need to move the tine left and right. Right, and I'm gonna try to get a different microphone on here to see if we can hear it a little better, the sound quality of it.